Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, applications of derivatives. So here in this chapter we have different topics. So first we'll study about rate of change of quantities. Okay, so what are quantities? Quantities can be anything like say area, volume, mass, weight, speed. There are so many quantities. So let us take an example of a quantity, say area. Okay, so in order to be more specific, let us take area of circle. So you have a circle whose radius is r. So area of circle formula is say pi r square. Okay, so a is equal to pi r square. So now when we'll say that this quantity is changing, so here as you can see that a is equal to pi r square. Here pi is constant, that means a is proportional to r, that means area is proportional to r. That means this, if radius increases, means area will also increase, right? And if radius decreases, area will also decrease. So the area and radius are changing, right? So when radius is changing, area is also changing. It might be increasing or decreasing. So that is called rate of change of quantities. Okay, one quantity is changing with other. So how do we write this? We write like this. Okay, dA by dr. That means here this area is changing, change in area with change in radius. Okay, in general we write like this, dq by dp, where this q is the quantity and p is the parameter. Okay, so here our quantity is a, that is area, and parameter is r. Okay, and this quantity, it depends on the parameter. Okay, quantity depends on parameter. That means if parameter changes, this quantity will also change. So here area is changing with radius. Now the radius might also change with other quantities. Okay, so for example here area is changing with radius and radius is changing with time. So a quantity can change in two types. Okay, so this is a quantity, say area. It can change in two types. First one is this one, dA by dr. That means area is changing with change in radius. Another one is area is changing with respect to time. Okay, so here quantity, it can change in two types, either we change in parameter or we change in time. So for this type we solve like this. Okay, for dA, if the parameter changes with time, then we solve it like this. So here area is changing with radius, right? So write dA by dr, and then this radius is further changing with time, so I multiply with dr by dt. So if in the question, like if it comes like this, so quantity is changing with parameter directly, then we'll use this. And then if the quantity is changing with time, then we'll use this. Okay, so when we'll do the questions, it will be more clear. Okay.